Hi guys, my name is Ana Soklič and this is my Eurovision song Voda. Probably you already know about what it means. It means water, so this is for you.
This year, Ana Soklič was chosen to represent Slovenia with the song Voda. Ana's entry this year is a power ballad, but she is also a trained classical musician who likes to cover songs with the jazz, soul and blues genre. She is an experienced songwriter and one of the composers behind Voda. With her music, Ana wants to take people to unexpected places, since this is, as she says, the true freedom of expression. Here is Ana Soklič.
Greva naprej, novi čas, zbeživa v tu, daleč stran. Ne ustavljaj se, prav nekje, dolga bo noč. Ti slišiš, ko mi bije razum, ti kot nomad dobro veš, da od besed do dejanj najdaljša je pot. Voda med nevihto obležim v tebi do konca. Voda tebi, a ne zmore v naju dvoj. Peljiva naprej, v drugo smer, dal odloči. Prepričan, tam je strgan stol, ki stoji in čaka nekoga, čaka otroka. Voda med nevihto obležim v tebi do konca. Voda, a ne zmore